Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at North Park, which is located in Aerospace Park, Bagalur in North Bangalore, and this project is developed by MGR Builders. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the project, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status and the position of the project. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details of the project, and about the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on. So about the land parcel and the construction work we'll be discussing later on. But before that, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 2.25 acres of land parcel with two premium towers, that is Tower A and Tower B. And this tower will be of 2 basement ground plus 22 floors, having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Hennur, Bangalore Road towards New Toll-Free Airport Road in North Bangalore. Now coming to the further location and connectivity of the project, so you can connect to Reva University in 5 minutes. 10 minutes away from SAPLEV office, 15 minutes from Kempegowda International Airport, 25 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, with vitrified tiles, SS sink, CCTV security and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities, like of you can check out here is the cricket pitch, open gymnasium, kids play area, garden area, half basketball court, and then comes the clubhouse with swimming pool, indoor amenities and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level of car parking. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of MGR North Park. As you can see in the image, the land parcel consists of 2 towers with luxurious amenities spread around. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 811 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2.5 BHK, 1020 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1215 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most awaited part, that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out, this is the actual land parcel where the construction work is going on. So this is Tower A, where the structure is ready and dooring and tiling work is all done. And for Tower B, the work is done till 20th floor and the dooring and tiling work is in progress. Now about the possession part, so let me tell you that as per RERA registration, the deadline for completion of the project is June 2028. But as per the commitment by MGR Builder, they are giving you possession by March 2026, and you will receive along with the OC. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the North Park, which is located in Aerospace Park, Bagalur in North Bangalore, a project by MGR Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.